Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom waiting rooms. This feature gives you control over who enters your meeting and when, making your virtual gatherings more secure and organized. First, open your browser and head over to zoom.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Zoom dashboard where we'll start configuring the waiting room feature. Look over to the left panel and click on My Account, then select Settings from the options that appear. This section houses all the configuration options for your Zoom experience, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with it. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on Meeting to access meeting-specific controls. This is where you can customize how your Zoom sessions function, including security features like the waiting room. Now scroll down through the meeting settings until you find Enable Waiting Room. Once you spot it, toggle it on. This action activates the waiting room feature across your account, giving you the ability to screen participants before they join your meetings. With the waiting room feature now enabled, head back to your Zoom dashboard. In the left panel, click on Meetings. This will take you to the area where you can view all your scheduled meetings and create new ones. In the upper right corner, you'll see a button that says Schedule a Meeting with a plus sign. Click on it to start setting up your new meeting. This opens up the meeting scheduler where you'll input all the relevant details. First, enter a topic for your meeting. This could be something like weekly team check-in or any title that clearly describes the purpose of your session. Having a clear topic helps participants know what to expect. Next, select the starting date and time for your meeting. Make sure you choose a time that works for all the key participants you're planning to invite. Right below that, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select your preferred time zone. This is especially important if you're meeting with people across different regions, as it ensures everyone joins at the correct time. Now navigate to the security section within the meeting settings. Here you'll find various security options designed to protect your meeting. Look for waiting room and check the box beside it. This ensures that participants will enter a virtual waiting area before being admitted to your meeting, giving you full control over who gets access. Once you've configured everything, click Save at the bottom of the page. Your meeting is now scheduled with the waiting room feature enabled, and all your settings are locked in. Finally, you'll see your meeting ID and invite link displayed on the screen. Copy this information and share it with the people you want to attend. They'll receive the details they need to join, and when they arrive, they'll wait in the virtual waiting room until you admit them. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Zoom meeting with a waiting room, giving you better control and security over your virtual gatherings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.